The government of Catalonia has been the target of a coordinated aggression by the Spanish military police. Their aim is to prevent the Catalan people to freely and peacefully exercise democracy on October 1st and suspend regular governmental activity. This police action has no legal basis. It violates the rule of law, all constitutional guarantees, and the European Union Charter of Fundamental Rights. The situation in Catalonia has no parallel in the European Union. We make an appeal to all Democrats in Catalonia and abroad to defend democracy and civil rights. We will not accept a return to the darkest times, and the Catalan government stands by freedom and democracy.